Here are some general camera mounting tips that will apply to most Swann cameras. Make sure to watch the previous segment, General Camera Configuration, to help you select an appropriate location. If you are installing cameras outdoors, make sure to place them in a location sheltered from direct sunlight, rain, and moisture. Begin by sticking the template where you wish to install a camera. If you're mounting to drywall, brick, or masonry, use a 3/16" drill bit to drill 3 holes in the template. If you're mounting to wood or a stud, use a smaller drill bit. Once the holes are drilled, gently tap the mounting plugs or wall anchors into the holes with a hammer until they're flush with the surface. Mounting plugs or wall anchors are not required if you're mounting the camera to a wooden or stud surface. Now, align the camera and secure it using the supplied screws into the holes in the camera mounting base and into the wall plugs or anchors you just installed. Tighten the screws with a Phillips head screwdriver, but take care not to over-tighten them. Now, with the camera properly mounted, connect the power extension cable to the matching plug on the camera. Then, carefully route the extension cable to the DVR or NVR recording system. Make sure the cable is up and out of the way of foot traffic and other hazards. Ensure that it's protected from the weather as much as possible, especially the power connections. Avoid running cables where electrical interference is expected. Do not stretch or apply force greater than 25 pounds or 11 kilograms. Do not bend the cable greater than 90 degrees. Do not over-tighten cable ties. Avoid using a staple gun to secure the cable to a wall. If the cable junctions will be outdoors, wrap the connections with electrical tape. To secure the cable in place, consult a hardware store to determine the best type of fastener for your particular installation. You may wish to purchase plastic cable ties or mounting clips at a home improvement or electronics store to secure the cable. Then, secure the cable, making sure to keep the cable nice and neat to maximize visual appeal. To orient the camera for the best frame of view, loosen the collar. Then orient the camera as desired and tighten the collar to secure it in place.